All right, so this is the situation currently. Working on some technical issues right now. We're actually having some storage issues with our SD cards. So currently we're trying to figure that out, but after we get that figured out, we're gonna get the drone back up in the air and hopefully get some really great shots. If not, then, you know, we're gonna get by with what we got.
All right guys, so this is the spot that we chose, and we're gonna get the trucks unloaded and maybe get the tent set up, maybe see about getting some heat going because it is pretty cold. And then we will try to find a good spot to park our trucks because right now they're on this road that someone may or may not come down. So
we kind of got some pretty, I mean, honestly, not a lot of snow, very light, but there's a thick layer of ice under all this snow right here. So it's super slippery. I've actually already fell twice. But nice wood pile over here that we're gonna probably end up using and probably burning up. Thanks, sir.
is this the base?
Yeah, that's the base.
Okay.
I couldn't fit them in the tent bag. It was too compact.
Gotcha.
So that's a door. Do we want it over here?
Yeah, let's go over here with this one. So I brought my memory foam this time. Just try to get a little more comfortable. All right, and now I'm lightheaded. It's just a blanket for the dog.
heat. Ugh.
So this is our bathroom setup that we have.
Yes.
Very simple.
Bucket,
Simple bucket,
lid on it,
special bags. If you know, you know.
biodegradable.
Yep. And tent. And that's how you get comfortable.
Yep.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Crazy. Look at this.
I love that. The point is to sit in the lake.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Oh, dude.
Nice. Fuel tank. I'm learning.
Alrighty, we just got the diesel heater set up. We got the wood stove burning right now. Trying to get some heat in the tent.
A diesel heater is working great.
Yeah, we're just kind of closing up for the night. We got the dogs chilling out on their beds. We're gonna get their blankets on them. But honestly, it's pretty warm in here. It's pretty late. It's probably about 1 a.m. or so. It's time for lights out. Alrighty, we're just waking up. It's about 7:45. We've had the diesel heater running all night. It's probably about
70, 80 here
70,
right
80 degrees inside the tent, which is pretty nice because you can definitely feel how cold it is when you get up and start moving around.
Yep, still frozen outside.
Yeah.
Still cold.
But yeah,
Gonna
we're
make some
gonna
coffee.
get the coffee going and get the day started here.
First with the water. It just literally barely fits.
Don't bump it.
Yeah. And the Black Rifle. Medium roast.
Delicious. Pour quick. Whoa. That was
Doing. Titanium spoon here, nice and lightweight, tactical for your coffee mixing.
sir.
A nice raspberry Danish for breakfast. Where are the boys at?
They're around here somewhere. Took the thing right off this.
Crazy.
Yep. Is what it is. Cheers.
Cheers.
Alrighty guys, we're all packed up. Another one in the books.
Yep.
Campsite's all cleaned up. Everything's put away. We're about to load the dogs and
Hit the road.
hit the road.
You
Rip
want to
on
show
outta
them our
here.
cooler?
Oh yeah.
So we forgot our table to cook on, so I tried to use the Yeti by the fire and didn't realize just how hot the fire was.
Yep.